Hello friends, we are working on voltage and magnetic field by using Hall sensor. In this project mainly we can see node MCU ESP8266. This is node MCU ESP8266 and LCD display, relay, and we have mainly three sensors. Hall sensor, ultrasonic sensor, DHT11 sensor, and the remaining further details will be explained by my teammates.
In this project, I need to discuss about node MCU ESP8266. In this node MCU ESP8266, we have totally 28 pins. In these 28 pins, we have 9 digital pins and 1 analog pin. In these 9 digital pins, D0, which is connected to onboard LED, and D1 to D8, which are 8 pins which are connected to external devices or sensors. And Wi-Fi controller is given to the processor, and 3 3-volt supplies are given to this processor, because some sensors are used about 3-volt supplies, so that this processor is given by 3 3-volt supplies for 3 pins, and we have 3 ground pins which are connected individually to the 3-volt supplies, and we have a voltage pin and ground pin, we have reset pin and flash pin, and we have a Iot pin which is connected to Hall sensor in this project, and detail connector is given for the dubbing of code from Arduino IDE to this processor, and takes input of 5 volts to get charged in this processor, and the remaining part will be continued by our team members.
The LCD display used for the observation of the output. LCD display has 4 pins: ground, SCL, VCC, and SDA. SD and SCL are internally connected to the D1 and D2 of the ESP node MCU. The remaining things are explained by my teammates.
That open and close the circuits by receiving the electrical signals by the external processor. Relay have total 6 pins. The left side pins are DC plus, DC minus and input, and right side pins are normally opened, normally closed and common. The next information will continue by the team member.
Sensor is an instrument measures the physical quantity and transforms into electrical signal. I am discussing about the ultrasonic sensor and the DHT11 sensor. An ultrasonic sensor measures the distance between objects by using ultrasonic wave. We give the supply across the ground and the VCC, and trigger transmits the signal. There is any object detected, we receive the signal across echo. Next I am discussing about DHT11 sensor. DHT11 sensor measures the compression and humidity across the surface area. And next further information will be shared by another team.
This is Hall sensor. Hall sensor is sensor which can use to measure the magnetic field contacting to the objects. It can also measure the speed, position and direction. Hall sensor has 4 pins: ground, VCC, A0, D0, A0 analog output, D0 digital output. We can connect the A0 to the node MCU 8266. We can find that analog output is connected to the node MCU, which can find the change in voltage that can be measured the change in magnetic field. We can observe in the serial monitor. It is a thing software. We can use that. Hall sensor is activated by the external magnetic field. Hall sensors has the 2 main characteristics. One is electric field and the other is polarities. Polarities are north pole and south pole. The external electric field exceeds the threshold voltage, then the sensor can detect it and sends to the serial monitor, which can observe in that. Hence, we can find the change in the magnetic field. We can use the Hall sensors in different applications such as wheel gauge, internal combustion and ignition of light. And one of the most important applications we use in Hall sensors in industrial purpose is sensing the position.